Hey, Rise and Thrive family. Welcome back to the channel where we don't just talk about living our best lives. We make it happen, every single day. I'm Babishia, and today, I'm bringing you something that can change your life if you let it. Good vibes only. Affirmations to attract joy and positivity. Let me ask you, are you ready to break through negativity? Are you ready to supercharge your mindset and start attracting the joy and positivity you deserve? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get ready to rise and thrive together. Let me ask you something powerful. Have you ever walked into a room and felt the energy shift instantly? Maybe you've been around someone who just radiates positivity, someone who lights up the entire space with their presence. What if I told you that you could be that person? That you could be the one who not only attracts good vibes but creates them wherever you go. Today, I'm going to share with you the exact mindset, affirmations, and strategies that will turn you into a magnet for joy and positivity. And I've got a story that will show you just how life-changing this shift can be. Let me tell you about Maya. Maya was a single mom, juggling 2 jobs, barely making ends meet. Every day felt like a struggle. She was exhausted, overwhelmed, and honestly, she felt invisible. But one day, Maya made a decision. She stood in front of her mirror, looked herself in the eyes and said, "I am worthy of joy. I am a magnet for good things. I am enough." At first, it felt awkward, but she kept going. Day after day, she repeated her affirmations. She started to smile more. She noticed small things. Her child's laughter, the kindness of a stranger, the beauty in a sunrise. Slowly, her energy shifted. People at work noticed. Opportunities started to appear. Maya didn't just survive, she started to thrive. That's the power of good vibes and positive affirmations. And today, I'm going to show you how to harness that power for yourself. Let's break it down. Why do affirmations work? Your mind is like a garden. Whatever you plant grows. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and negativity, you'll harvest anxiety and frustration. But if you plant seeds of hope, joy, and positivity, you'll reap confidence, happiness, and success. Affirmations are those seeds. They're not just words, they're declarations of who you are and who you are becoming. When you speak them with conviction, you rewire your brain, you shift your energy, and you start attracting the very things you desire. Alright, Rise and Thrive family, it's time to get into the zone. Stand up, roll your shoulders back, take a deep breath, and repeat after me. Say it loud, say it proud, and feel the energy shift inside you. 1. I am worthy of love, joy, and success. 2. I am a magnet for positive energy and good vibes. 3. Every day, I choose happiness and gratitude. 4. I radiate confidence, kindness, and strength. 5. I attract opportunities that align with my purpose. 6. I am resilient, unstoppable, and empowered. 7. I let go of negativity and embrace the present moment. 8. My life is filled with abundance and possibilities. 9. I am grateful for every blessing, big and small. 10. Today, I create my own happiness. Feel that? That's your energy shifting. That's your mind unlocking its true potential. This isn't just feel-good talk. Science backs this up. Studies show that positive affirmations actually light up the reward centers in your brain. They reduce stress, boost your immune system, and even improve your performance at work and in relationships. When you focus on positive thoughts, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin, the feel-good chemicals. You literally become happier, more motivated, and more resilient. This isn't magic. It's mindset mastery. But let's be honest, life isn't always sunshine and rainbows. Negativity creeps in. Setbacks happen. People doubt you. Maybe you doubt yourself. Here's the secret. You can't always control what happens to you, but you can always control how you respond. When negativity shows up, recognize it. Don't fight it, acknowledge it. Then, flip the script. Replace that negative thought with a powerful affirmation. If your mind says, "I can't do this," you say, "I am capable. I am strong. I've got this." Remember Maya? She faced challenges every day. But she chose to focus on the good, to celebrate small wins, and to speak life into her dreams. That's how you rise. That's how you thrive. Let's talk about action. Affirmations are powerful, but they need to be part of your daily routine. Here's your Rise and Thrive Good Vibes blueprint. First, start every day with gratitude. Before you even get out of bed, list 3 things you're grateful for. Say your affirmations out loud. Set a positive intention for the day. Second, surround yourself with people who lift you up. Limit exposure to negativity, whether it's toxic relationships, social media, or even your own inner critic. Third, move your body. Exercise releases endorphins and boosts your mood. Dance, walk, run, whatever gets you energized. Fourth, take breaks throughout the day to breathe, center yourself, and reset your energy. Even just 60 seconds of deep breathing can shift your mindset. Fifth, celebrate your progress. No matter how small, celebrate your wins. Every step forward is a victory. Now, let's do a quick visualization. Close your eyes. Picture yourself living your best life. See yourself smiling, confident, surrounded by good vibes and positive people. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement. Hold on to that feeling. That's your new reality. That's what you're attracting every single day. I've seen this work for thousands of people, just like you. People who were stuck in negativity, who felt lost or defeated, who decided to take control and choose good vibes only. Like Sarah, who turned her failing business around by shifting her mindset. Or James, who overcame anxiety and found true happiness by practicing daily affirmations. Their secret? Consistency, belief, and action. And you can do it too. So here's what I want you to do, Rise and Thrive family. Commit to 30 days of good vibes only. Say your affirmations every morning. Practice gratitude. Choose positivity even when it's hard. And watch how your life transforms. If you're in, drop a yes in the comments below. Share your favorite affirmation. Let's build a community of unstoppable, positive, thriving people together. Remember, you are not defined by your past. You are not limited by your circumstances. You are powerful, you are worthy, and you are destined for greatness. Thank you for joining me today. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more life-changing content, and share this with someone who needs a boost of good vibes. This is Babishia, and you're watching Rise and Thrive. Until next time, keep rising, keep thriving, and remember, good vibes only.